Creating accordion in Webflow is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can create accordion in Webflow. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at the Webflow. Now here I'm going to click on this open designer for my website. It will open up the Webflow's website editor. And here I'm going to, create one element of accordion. So you can, replicate the process to create a full accordion. So here I'm going to simply press Ctrl+E and I'm going to add a drop down. Now I'm going to add it right here, and now I'm going to edit the style according to myself. After editing the style, I'm going to add a new paragraph in the normal body. So I'm going to press Ctrl+E and I'm going to search for paragraph. Paragraph should contain all the information that you want to type, and here I'm going to edit all the information that I want to type. So suppose I want to type this information is about this lorem ipsum. So after typing in your paragraph, you just simply have to select the paragraph, drop down the menu, drop down list. Here you have to delete all the links, and you just need to right click your paragraph. You need to cut it. You need to click on this drop list and you have to paste it right here. As you guys can see, it is just here. Now whenever if I click on this preview mode and wherever I click on this drop down, this information will drop down. So you just need to add information according to you, and multiple drop down, your accordion should be ready. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.